If your credit score were a person, it'd be the quiet guy in the corner judging your every financial move. But guess what? It's not magic, it's math. And today, we're cracking the code. First things first, what even is a credit score? Think of it like your financial GPA. It's a three-digit number, usually between 300 and 850, and it tells banks whether you're the kind of person who returns money or ghosts it like a bad Tinder date. Low score? That's like showing up to a job interview in flip-flops. High score? You walk in with a suit made of money. Everyone wants you. So, how do we fix yours? Step 1. Know your number. Check your score, Credit Karma, or your bank app. No judgment, just data. Step 2. Pay on time, always, even if it's the minimum. Set auto reminders, alarms, bribe your dog, whatever it takes. Step 3. Use less than 30% of your credit limit. If your card gives you $1,000, don't go spending $999 on a smart fridge you don't need. Step 4. Don't open a bunch of new accounts. Every time you do, your score flinches. Step 5. Negotiate your debt. Call your bank. Ask for lower interest. Be polite, firm, and slightly charming. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. This isn't just about boosting a number. It's about building a financial reputation.